Hey everyone, just wanted to let you know that we got a new t-shirt out. It's the OG pizza t-shirt, the first shirt we ever made, but we got pink design on the back this time. We're also selling the classic one, so if you missed out on the first drop, then now's the time to get this. And we also got a bunch of stickers on the site still, so if you guys want to support the channel and make the progress flow, like we really flowed some progress in this video, but if you guys want to help speed up the process of the car getting finished, then go check out the site and cop a couple things if you'd like, and I'd really appreciate it. So hope you enjoy this video, and let's get into it. Welcome to another video. I'm going to pick up some parts for the 240 at a really good price and a couple things that I really need that are going to help me streamline the process of putting it back together. So come along.
Today, or actually dashing.
I have arrived. It's pretty obvious. All right, so what I'm picking up today is this carpet. Is it this carpet or the other carpet?
Yeah, this carpet.
Yeah, this carpet here. It looks blue, doesn't it?
Pretty dirty, but blue.
And that S13 passenger seat. So we're gonna work on getting this stuff out of here. Fresh S14 passenger seat, and I got a carpet in the trunk. So the carpet is gonna really allow me to get my interior back together, and that's gonna motivate me so much seeing that back together. So this video is probably gonna run into me going over to Jeff's house to get the carpet in and clean up all the interior plastics. But I just wanted to take you over here because he has some sick cars. I meant to film a little bit, but it's so fucking hot out, and as soon as we got the carpet out and the seat out, it's time to leave. So we'll see you over at Jeff's. So I made it to Jeff's where I got the carpet here and I got my seat, and I also just finished, well, not quite finished yet, but getting these two front pieces painted up, and Jeff is inside, so when he gets out here we'll start possibly painting beneath the carpet and then get the carpet in. All right, got the shop vac hooked up. Gonna start vacuuming it out. Got a little crusty again. All right, to make myself feel a little better, I'm gonna spray beneath the carpet with this undercoat that I got from AutoZone, and hopefully that works. All right, look at that. It looks fucking factory, baby. It's brown. I didn't expect it to be brown. But yeah, we're gonna go quadrant to quadrant here. We got that one, and this one. And then just carpet runs like right here, so. Okay, time for this side. Just got it vacuumed out and cleaned up. Lay down some rubber. And we're looking good. All right, it's getting really windy. Unfortunately, the storms have been relentless here in Boise recently. This is taking forever to dry because the humidity level in the air right now is off the charts. So we can't really put the carpet in right now, unfortunately, because this has got to dry first. And tomorrow I'm heading back up to Bellingham. Maybe I'll film a little vid with DJ when I'm up there. But yeah, headed up to Bellingham tomorrow, and my little sister is graduating, so that's why I'm going up there. But I will go say hi to DJ. Maybe we'll make a little video, like I said. This might do it for this video, just because we kind of ran out of time, or we ran out of daylight, and it's starting to rain, and I gotta seal up the 240 right now. I did end up finishing getting these painted. Definitely raining right now. These are looking good. Just got to get some actual paint on them now. That's gonna do it for this video, I guess. Unless I decide that this is too short of a video, then I'll continue it when we end up putting the carpet in. Okay, welcome back to the same video, because I've filmed like 3 fucking times already. But that's all, you've already seen all that. So we're back in the 240, and we're gonna put the carpet in today. We gotta kind of route some of this wiring harness back to the back of the car and then just toss the carpet in. I don't know how smooth it's gonna go because we have these, and I really don't want to cut those out because I'm gonna have to do some fab work if I do that. If we can work around that, cut the carpet a little bit maybe, and then yeah, go from there. I did hang out with DJ while I was in Washington, like I said I was going to, but I didn't film anything because we were just really just catching up and hanging out. But I did take one picture of him, so I'll post that on the screen right now. Making some progress over here. Had to cut that out a little bit, like I said, not a huge deal. Everything else is fitting up perfecto. Looking good. You guys ain't gonna believe it, but I'm sitting in a seat in my car. Check it out. We're putting the dash bar back in. And then we might put the center console in and probably throw the back seats in. I gotta tell you, I'm super excited. This is very motivating for me. Once I get my wheels back, it's just gonna be cruising. Not quite cruising, but progress will be cruising. Oh my gosh, there's a rear seat in the car now. Look at that. We're gonna have to pull it back out again to, we need to kind of zip tie this up. Like, I think it goes right here. And then we got the plastics for here and there, as well as basically all the plastics. So, yeah. So exciting. All right, guys, this is fucking crazy. I'm in awe right now. Look at this plastics going in.
Yeah, it looks freaking good.
Let's go, dude. Check it out. Oh, you got a fucking car in this bitch. All the plastics, most of the plastics anyway. We need a headliner. We have a headliner, but it's a slick top headliner. Carpets in. We got the driver's seat.
A driver's seat.
Yeah, not the driver's seat, but a driver's seat. But we're gonna tidy up all the wiring over here real quick and go from there. But this is super exciting. I hope you guys are excited as I am, because I am through the moon, over the moon, through the roof at the moment. The 240 is looking like an actual car. Jeff's chilling in the back seat. We got all the plastics in, well, most of them. The dash is not in because we still have to figure out this mess of a wiring harness, of a chassis harness. But we're getting there. We got the center console in, looking good. We got the wheel in, the trunk. Let me show you the trunk. We got carpet in the trunk. We have the speakers and speaker brackets. We just haven't mounted them up yet. We got the speaker plastics. Shit is looking really good, honestly. And I am so hyped. Like, this is probably the best day we've had progress-wise, just because the car is really coming together, and I'm super happy. So thank you guys for tuning in. I think I'm dropping new shirts with this video, so I probably put it at the beginning of this video. So if you would like to help support the reincarnation of this car, then hit the link in the bio and check out the shirts. And I appreciate you guys watching. A next step is gonna be probably finishing up the bay. We need to paint the tube front. Probably gonna repaint the bay and repaint the front subframe to make that look a little nicer. And then we just gotta get the chassis harness all squared away. Mitch is gonna come up and help with that, hopefully at some point. Once we get that squared away, we can put the dash back in. Shit's gonna cruise from there, right, Jeff?
Hell yeah, it is.
Hell yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Check out the link in my bio if you want to support the channel, buy a t-shirt. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks.